Hey guys, hard at it here, working between the raindrops. I got everything apart. As you can see, I got that ball joint out. Not sure how I'm going to get it back in yet, but I'll figure it out. Wasn't too bad. Had to grind off, I'll show you. Had to grind off some edges of the old ball joint. I think it was original, because it didn't have the replacement clip. Where is it here? There. Had to go around it with the chisel and beat the ends off, and I had to beat it to death to get it out, but I got it out. Got the new one over here in the box. Looks like the upper A-arm has been replaced, so I can save $188 on that white box. Gonna put the new one in. Come on, focus. I don't know why it won't focus. Oh well. But this one here, I'm gonna take the rubber off of the bottom. It just slides off. And there's a tool I can get. I'm hoping I can borrow. And put this in the bottom and press it in. So once I get that through to that line, then a C-clip goes on it, and easy peasy. But we'll see how that goes. I may try the redneck way yet, I'm not sure. Because of these splines, I think I'm going to need to press it in. I don't know if you can see the splines. Maybe if I lay it down. There, now you can see the splines on it. They got to fit in and make it permanent. Well, I'll let you know how everything goes. There's my pink chair, Joe. That's my thinking chair, yep. So, a little bit more done in between the raindrops. Talk to you guys later.